Yo, what's up guys? So, I'm out here in the garage right now. I started working on the bumper. Um, Probably gonna take a while to get fixed though, only issue. So, here it is. As you can see, I've been kind of like just digging out all the cracks. Seems to kind of be a lot of them. So, need a lot of work. And then, I want to say right here is kind of the biggest issue, where it's kind of it was moving a lot when it was on the car, so I just kind of started just chipping away at it. So basically what I'm going to do is just probably go get some more, just like relayer everything right here. Try to make it a little thicker so I don't have that issue with it. Alright, so I forgot to buy the hardener for the fiberglass I was going to use to fix the bumper. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on the grill. It's right here. Got this for like, what, 50 on eBay? So it's not a real one. I think they were charging $500 to $600 for a real grill. But I just kind of mainly need the frame. So the difference between this one and the real one is this is all pretty much one piece of plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out, as opposed to the real one. They're like little sections and they come off. But we're going to go ahead and just cut this out right now. So here's the grill. Trying to clean it up and get the rest of it off now. Alright, so I'm trying to do an oil change on my 300 while I'm working on everything else. But kind of took the truck out of the garage, cleaned it up a little bit. I'm going to finish cleaning later. However, the 300 does not want to go up on the ramp. Do this. So this side right here, fine, it's going up. But this one just keeps slipping. Every time I try to pull up, it just slides forward. Try to put this big old rock right here, you know. Hoping maybe it'll just help it from moving, but it's not working. Alright. All I gotta do is drive it up.
You couldn't do it.
So now I got my sister out here. She's gonna have to drive it up. I drive slowly. Okay? Slow. Go on. More. More. Like an inch. Right there. Alright. Good. You turn it off now. Put the e-brake on? Yeah. I guess. Was that hard?
Yes. I'm half asleep here.
Alright, so I basically finished my oil change. Just waiting for the air filter to dry. Still working on the bumper. Kind of got to sand some stuff down still. Just kind of just finish with some of the cracks, just drilling them out, but I'm always like multitasking and stuff. So what we're doing now is here with Steven, and I went to Walmart and I just bought this stuff, which probably just waste of money, to clean my cars. Mainly just kind of clean my 300 because it's always dirty, but because I haven't put the air filter in it yet, we're gonna go and clean the truck. We just kind of took it out for a little drive. I don't really drive it, so just kind of little cruise around the block. So now we're just gonna kind of clean it. It's all full of dust, so it doesn't look as dirty as a 300, but we're gonna test out some products. Oh, and also, I've been using it as a shelf, so probably see a lot of dirt and grease on it. Basically a shelf now. Basically. Yo, so I'm at Harley. Already paid for my bike, picked it up and everything, so this is basically it right here. Pretty sure you guys more or less already seen it. But you can tell my forks look a little bit cleaner. So both of them got rebuilt for about $400. So I got it picked up. Still need a little bit of work, mainly just to be kind of cleaned. But I gotta go to work already, so basically gonna go ahead and ride to work. One of my coworkers is here.